Hey everybody, welcome to Essential Life Skills, also known as ELS, or often referred to as skills. This class is here to support you in school, in online learning, and in your future goals. So, just a little bit about me. I'm Jessica English. I'm your teacher this session. I've been an English teacher for 19 years, and whenever people ask me, are you an English teacher because your last name is English? My answer is no. I'm an English teacher because it was my destiny. However, I am now an essential skills teacher because when I started at APS Avenues, I taught discovery and I loved it because this is a class where we have the opportunity to support students in a way that we don't normally in schools, like real life stuff and having like real conversations. So I'm here to help you with whatever you need. Go ahead and call me, text me, send me a Google chat, send me an email. Whenever you need something, you let me know, okay? Call me Jessica. That's what I go by. That's my name. So we're going to go ahead and start and just do a brief overview of Schoology, just specifically for my class. When you open Schoology, you should have all of your updates from your different classes. And so it's really important you look at those. When you go to click on the courses that you have, you'll see your different courses. This is my course with the brain because we're going to study a lot about the brain, which is very fascinating. And when you click on the course, the first place you're going to go are the updates. Please read them. They are helpful, especially like if there's some change, right? So like say for example, like I get sick and I can't be there in the morning. This is where you would find that. Announcements about upcoming information, and I always include the links that you need. So for our first day update, we meet every day from 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. on Google Meet. So we all, the teachers and the students, are expected and required to be on Google Meets together for that 3 hour block. I have breaks built in, don't worry, but we are expected to be there. This class is all about supporting you. That's what this class is. And so to begin with, we want you to take some time to familiarize yourself with the Start Here folder. You'll notice that down below, there's a link to our Google Meet class, which will always be the same. And so you can always just click right there. I'm also going to add it to your calendar. You're going to have it in your email. I want to make sure you have it in as many places as possible because it can get confusing. I know it does for me. So next you'll click on materials, and that's where all your classwork is. So you see the Start Here folder and the Session 1 folder. One little tip for Schoology is you should always start at the top and then move through, and the easiest way to do that is with the next button. So when you start the Start Here folder, your very first page is this class introduction video. So I assume you've already gotten to Start Here because you're watching this video. When you read a page and watch the video, make sure you scroll all the way down to the bottom. Make sure you submit anything if there's anything being requested, and then click Next. That'll take you to the next activity. All right. And then once you've done that, you click Next. So one of the first items you'll see is a slideshow. Please read and take a look at the slideshow. It's like a summary of the syllabus, which is really long because it has all of the information you need for class. This slideshow here is just the highlights. My recommendation is that when you're watching a slideshow, that you actually watch this in full screen. So if you see my little highlighter there, when you click on the full screen icon, it's a lot easier to watch and navigate that. All right, and to get out, you're just going to hit escape. Once you have seen that, write down any questions you have for me, and then click Next. Here's that syllabus. This is everything you might ever want to know about this class. At the top here, you have my contact information as well as my teaching partner's information. Thayer Horton is the other skills teacher. And so you may meet him too as we go through this class. In here, you're going to find out everything you need to know about our remote learning schedule, attendance, grades, makeup work, anything and everything you need to know for this class. But again, if you have any further questions, text me, call me, email me, send me a Google chat, okay? Hit next. All staff and students are required to have Google Chat installed and open at all times when we're working. So every student at APS Avenues is doing this Google Chat tutorial. And so when you do this tutorial, you have some reading to do, a video, and then you have a 3-step instruction. So you're going to install that, take a screenshot, hit next, and this is where you're going to submit your screenshot, okay? That is a tool for us to make sure that we are in communication with you and that we get back to you as quickly as possible. Once you finish the Start Here folder, we're right into the content. We're organized by days. There's 20 days in the session. So you'll click on day 1 and you will start the assignment. So once you click, you can just hit next to navigate through. So we've got our objectives. We've got a little reflection activity, and you can actually see people's responses. So when you do this, I'm going to click back to go back to this folder. You might notice a long list of things. Don't be intimidated by that, please. Sometimes it's just a very short piece of information, 3 bullet points. Sometimes it's a place where you turn in the assignment you've been learning about. We're here online to help you through that. We're learning too, and so we want to make sure that we're getting feedback from you guys. My information is here on the left-hand side, my phone number, anything that you might need from me. So please reach out, let me know. I'm looking forward to this year, even though being online is a little weird. I really think this is a great opportunity for us to learn and grow and get to know one another, and hopefully we'll be back in person.